Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and your Windows refreshing automatically. So how to fix? So first step guys, Windows R and type services .msc, then click to OK. Then guys come to Windows. You can press directly W. So come W series. So Windows Error Reporting Service. This one. So guys double click and stop and startup type disable, then apply and then OK. Then guys close again Windows R and type D E D E V driver management mgmt.msc, then click to OK. And then extract to displays adapter. So if you using graphic card, so please update your graphic card driver. Go to that websites and download the latest driver. Otherwise you can right click to update and update automatically from download from internet. Okay, so I already updated, that's why it's not show. Okay, so only just right click to update and update driver and close it. Next solutions. Then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.